Comfort is quietly controlling you. Not loudly, not aggressively. It doesn't scream at you to stop trying. It whispers that you deserve rest, that you've done enough for today, that tomorrow will be a better time to start. And that whisper has been shaping your life more than any enemy ever could. Most people don't fail because they are stupid. They don't fail because they lack talent. They fail because comfort slowly becomes their decision maker. Comfort decides when you wake up. Comfort decides how long you scroll. Comfort decides whether you push through resistance or quit early. Comfort decides whether your dreams stay fantasies or become reality. And the dangerous part is this: comfort never looks like destruction. It looks like safety. It looks like peace. It looks like balance. But comfort doesn't care about your future. Comfort only cares about your present feelings. You wake up tired. Comfort says, sleep a little longer. You feel overwhelmed. Comfort says, avoid the hard task. You feel bored. Comfort says, distract yourself. You feel scared. Comfort says, stay where you are. And slowly, quietly, year after year, comfort shrinks your life. You don't notice it at first, because comfort works gradually, like rust, like weight gain, like missed opportunities. No single decision ruins you. It's the accumulation of small, comfortable choices. The workout you skipped because you were tired. The book you didn't read because your phone was easier. The conversation you avoided because it felt uncomfortable. The skill you never learned because being a beginner felt embarrassing. Comfort teaches you to avoid friction, but friction is where growth lives. Everything you admire in others exists on the other side of discomfort. Confidence, discipline, strength, clarity, freedom. None of these come from comfort. They come from repeatedly choosing what's hard over what's easy. But comfort has a clever trick. It convinces you that discomfort is dangerous. It makes effort feel like punishment. It makes struggle feel like suffering. It makes growth feel optional. Comfort reframes discipline as cruelty. It reframes consistency as obsession. It reframes ambition as stress. And if you listen long enough, you begin to believe it. You start saying things like, I just want to be happy. I don't want to stress myself. I don't want to burn out. But deep down, something feels off. Because comfort never delivers fulfillment. It only delivers relief. Relief is temporary. Fulfillment is permanent. Comfort gives you relief today and regret tomorrow. Think about it. Have you ever felt proud after choosing comfort? Proud of quitting early? Proud of procrastinating? Proud of staying small? No. Pride comes after effort. Pride comes after resistance. Pride comes after doing the thing you didn't feel like doing. Comfort promises happiness, but it delivers numbness. The more you obey comfort, the weaker your tolerance for discomfort becomes. The weaker your tolerance, the louder comfort's voice grows. Eventually, even small challenges feel unbearable. A short workout feels exhausting. A focused hour feels impossible. A difficult conversation feels terrifying. This is how comfort traps you, not by chaining you down, but by lowering your capacity. And once your capacity shrinks, your dreams start shrinking too. You stop aiming high. You stop expecting much from yourself. You stop believing you can handle pressure. You begin to identify as someone who just isn't disciplined, someone who isn't consistent, someone who doesn't have motivation. But the truth is simpler and harsher. You've been trained by comfort. Comfort is a teacher, and its lessons are subtle but powerful. It teaches you to quit when things get hard. It teaches you to chase pleasure instead of progress. It teaches you that your feelings should dictate your actions. And feelings are terrible leaders. Feelings change. Feelings lie. Feelings react to the moment, not the mission. If you let feelings lead, comfort will always win. Because comfort feels good now. Growth feels bad before it feels good. Comfort feels good before it feels bad. That's the trade. Short-term pleasure for long-term pain, or short-term pain for long-term freedom. Every day, consciously or unconsciously, you choose one. And most people don't realize they're choosing comfort until years have passed and they're standing in a life they don't recognize. They wonder where their time went. They wonder why they feel stuck. They wonder why they're restless but unmotivated. It's because comfort has been steering quietly the whole time. Comfort loves routines that don't challenge you. Comfort loves habits that keep you busy but unproductive. Comfort loves distractions disguised as self-care. And it especially loves excuses. I'm too busy. I'm too tired. I'll start when things calm down. I deserve a break. Comfort doesn't care that things never calm down, that life never magically creates perfect conditions. Comfort thrives on waiting, because waiting feels safe, but waiting is expensive. Every day you wait, momentum decays, confidence erodes, opportunities pass silently. You don't lose your future in dramatic moments. You lose it in comfortable ones. And here's the hardest truth. No one is coming to rescue you from comfort. There is no alarm that goes off when comfort becomes dangerous. No warning label, no external signal. You have to notice it yourself. And you have to fight it intentionally, because comfort will not leave on its own. Comfort is not evil. It just needs boundaries. Rest is necessary. Recovery is important. Enjoyment matters. But comfort must never be in charge. The moment comfort becomes your default response to discomfort, you begin trading potential for ease. Discipline is not about punishment. It's about protection. Discipline protects your future self from the weakness of your present self. It says, I will do what matters, even when I don't feel like it. It says, I don't need motivation to act. It says, I can tolerate discomfort without escaping. And tolerance is a muscle. The more discomfort you avoid, the weaker that muscle becomes. The more discomfort you face voluntarily, the stronger you become. This is why intentional discomfort changes people. Cold mornings, hard conversations, focused work, physical training, delayed gratification. These aren't just habits. They are reminders. Reminders that you are capable of more than comfort wants you to believe. Every time you choose discomfort on purpose, you reclaim a piece of control. You prove to yourself that comfort is an option, not a command. And slowly, your identity shifts. You stop seeing yourself as someone who reacts and start seeing yourself as someone who decides. That shift changes everything. Because once you stop letting comfort decide, clarity returns. You begin to feel alive again. Not numb, not distracted. Alive. Effort creates meaning. Struggle creates direction. Resistance creates strength. A life without discomfort is not a peaceful life. It's a shallow one. Real peace comes from knowing you can handle hard things. Real confidence comes from keeping promises to yourself. Real freedom comes from discipline. Comfort tells you the opposite. It tells you freedom means doing whatever feels good. But that version of freedom always ends in dependency. Dependency on pleasure, dependency on distraction, dependency on ease. And dependency is the opposite of freedom. So the question is not, should I be comfortable or uncomfortable? The question is, who is in control? Your feelings or your values? Your impulses or your intentions? Comfort will always offer an easy way out. Growth will always demand more. One leads to stagnation. The other leads to expansion. And no one escapes this choice. Everyone pays a price. The price of discipline or the price of regret. Comfort is quietly controlling you only if you let it. And the moment you notice it, you have power again. Not tomorrow, not when you feel ready. Now, because comfort's greatest weapon is delay, and your greatest weapon is decision. Decide to do the hard thing today. Decide to sit in discomfort without running. Decide to act despite resistance. Not perfectly, not forever, just today. That's how comfort loses its grip, one deliberate choice at a time. If this message hit you, subscribe for more and watch the next video. It connects to this one.